Hi everyone, welcome back to the Full Range Room. This is going to be the last video on yoga self-adjustment tips. Number one, whenever the hands are on the floor and the arms are straight, externally rotate the elbows so the eyes of the elbows face forward. That's what happens when we close the armpits, okay, in down dog. Number two, whenever the hands are on the floor, spread the fingers while keeping the index fingers parallel. Number three, in standing asanas or in standing poses, make sure that there's an imaginary line separating the right foot from the left. So the right foot is on the right side and the left foot is on the left. Okay? We can see our feet because we usually come from down dog. Let me just show that quick. Alright, so as we step 1 foot forward, we are looking at our feet. Okay, so we can already adjust so the right foot is on the right and the left is on the left before coming up. So we usually come from down dog. If we are not coming from down dog, we come from the standing position and step 1 foot back. So there we can also see if there is that imaginary line in between the feet. Now, if this doesn't feel stable, you can always widen your stance any amount. Number four, in standing asanas and lunges, all right, your front knee is above the ankle, and when we peek at it, the knee is in between the small toe and the next one, and it's not caved in. Okay, so just be mindful. This is to open our adductors and hips. Number five, coming from down dog, okay, if our step comes short, okay, see if we can practice rounding the spine first to create space. Okay, shift the weight forward towards the fingertips, and then at the last minute, step. Okay, if it still doesn't work, all right, maybe we are still here, then we just adjust however we can, in any way we can. Number six, sometimes in yoga we have the feet together, and what we really want is big toes together like this, whether we are sitting or we are standing. If this is not stable in any way, if this doesn't feel stable, or maybe we are pregnant or something and this is not accessible, it's okay to separate the feet any amount. Just make sure that we have the outer edges of the feet parallel because most asanas call for it. Number seven, whenever the soles of the feet are on the floor, our weight is more towards the toes or on the balls of the feet and not on the heels. So many of us, especially when we're starting, we put a lot of weight on our heels, so our forward bends tend to look like this when it should have been like this. All right. So weight on the heels only applies to Utkatasana. Okay. Everything else, when the soles are on the floor, we press onto the box. Number eight, if we cannot reach for the feet, okay, or floor or a certain part of the body, we place the hands wherever they can reach and work on getting deeper into the pose with every exhale. Number nine, if we can't balance on one leg, okay, if we feel unstable, feel free to step out of your mat anytime. The floor tends to be more stable and you can do your pose here. Otherwise, if this is still not working, you can always go next to a wall, okay? Anytime, even during class, okay, maybe put one hand on the wall and perform the pose here. And then just come back to your mat anytime. So that's all for today, everybody. I hope you found this helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you soon.